Hi guys, this is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. I posted the clipper blade and I have a lot of message, a lot of questions. You understand? I'm here to address all that questions. You get it? So if you come across this video, don't be stingy. If you come across this video, what you can do for me is that you share it for others to benefit so that some of your colleagues will not come and ask the same question. You understand? Make sure you share, you like, you share, you comment, you follow. You understand? Let me know that what I'm teaching you are following. So I have posted a clipper blade, and a lot of questions I have is my clipper blade, my clipper cannot cut skin. My clipper, if I'm using it, it's painful. My clipper blade is not sharp. My clipper that and that. You understand? Oh, a lot of questions. Let me take you through. This is what I use for shape cutting. So okay, I would like to talk about okay. Let's say this is what I use for shape cutting. You understand? So you have to get two clippers for yourself. This is number one. You can use this one to cut shape, but this cannot cut shape like this one. So you make sure that you get this one, then you get this one. We have some clients, they are using one clipper, doing everything, cutting shape, doing skin fade. You cannot use one clipper for that. You understand? That's why I always tell you guys that you have to make sure that you are investing in your clippers. You understand? It's very, very important. You get it? So this is what I use for shape cutting, design, everything, beard shaving and those stuff. This is what I use. And this is what I use for 3-step, taper fade, 2-step, afro cut, whatever cut. You understand? This, although I can use this one to cut shape, but this cannot cut shape like this one because the way I set it, it's not like that. So you need to invest in your clippers. Get different clippers for yourself. You cannot tell me you buy a new clipper like this and it cannot cut shape. It's not possible. Some of you are using old clippers like 2-3 years clippers. You understand? I understand that some of you clippers you need to touch it before you can catch them, but most of you are not using quality clippers. You need to invest in your clippers. It's very, very important. If you want to deliver a quality haircut, you need to make sure that you are investing in your clippers. You get it? So let me take you guys through. You see this one? Look at the blade. You see? If you have this type of clipper, you see the back here. There is a screw here that you screw here, screw here. Then you set it. When you are setting it, make sure the small one and the big one is equal. You understand? Make it equal before you tighten here. So once you make it equal and you tighten here, definitely it's going to cut skin. You understand? Yes, definitely it's going to cut skin. And if you mistakenly make the small one inside come out more than the back, definitely if you are cutting, it's going to hurt your clients. It's going to feel pain. It's going to have a cut. You understand? So always make sure that if you are setting it, make sure that the small one and the back one are equal. That is the best setting. Then you tighten it. Definitely it's going to cut skin. You can try this and come and give me a comment. You get it? Yes. And this one too, as I always tell you guys, I have plenty clippers. I have different clippers. You understand? Because I invest in my tools. It's very, very important for me because without a quality tools, I cannot deliver a good haircut. You understand? So I have more clippers here. You get it? I have more clippers. You understand? Yes. So that is it. So you see this one. Let's say this one cannot cut skin. All you need to do is the same as I did the other one. You lose here, you lose here, you understand? Then you push the big one back. Then you push the small one inside. You see that there is two blades. So you put the small one first, then you put the big one, then you squeeze it. You see how I hold it? You squeeze it like this. Then you tighten it here small, tighten here small, tighten here small. Then you turn it, set it, tighten small, tighten small. Then you turn it, set it, tighten small, tighten small. So until you see that the small one and the big one is equal, then you now tighten it big. You understand? You now tighten it big like this. You understand? Then after that, definitely, if you are using it for skin fade, it's going to cut skin. No matter what, it's going to cut skin. You understand? So these are some of the problems I've come across. And some of you too are saying your clipper is not sharp. Maybe I know some of you have used your blade for like maybe 1 year, 2 years. You haven't sharpened it. You know, clipper, you need to, once you use it for like maybe 3 weeks, 1 month, you need to sharpen it so that you can able to cut your client hair fast. You understand? So I don't know where you are. If you are located in Ghana, I have someone who can sharp it for you. You understand? I have someone who can sharp it. I'm looking for, you know, ways and means to see if I can help other countries, but it's not possible. You understand? But I'm still trying my best to find out if I can still get, because I know that all the countries. I remember someone came and put his information on my page that he's happening in Nigeria. So those who are following me and be consistent on my page, I don't know if you have come across this person, but I'll do research about him and put the information down so that those who are in Nigeria and those stuff, you can also get access to that information. You understand? But if you are located in Ghana here, you can DM me directly here. Don't DM me on WhatsApp. DM me here on Messenger. I'll reply you and I'll give you much information or where you can go to, able to sharp your clipper. You understand? So that is it. If you are located at different place, right now I don't know how to go by it, but I'm still doing research. If possible, I'll come out with a solution. Maybe other countries can also benefit from that. You know. But for now, if you are in Ghana, this is what I can do. And if your clipper is not about sharpening and it's about setting, how to cut skin, how to set it so that it will not be painful, how to set it so that it will, understand, can cut hair, skin, and those stuff. This is the process I have to just go through. Understand? So if you come across this video, I'll post the long video. I have made several videos on different tutorial on clipper on YouTube. You understand? So if you come across this video, all you need to do is to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected, you follow me on Facebook, you share for others to benefit. Don't be stingy. You understand? Most of you just watch and go. You don't even comment, you don't even like. You understand? If you are doing that, you can see like maybe 10K people view, then 5 likes. I don't understand. Meanwhile, you watch it, you benefit. You understand? So once you are benefiting, all you can do for the person is to also like, share, comment, so that the person will also benefit. The person will know that, oh, what I'm doing, people are, really like it. So let me keep doing more. Understand? But if you are not doing that, how am I going to be posting more, tips like that? You understand? So this is very simple. This is very simple. I want us to solve this problem once and for all. You get it? Huh. Let's solve this problem. So if you cannot, if you don't get um if you don't get what do you call it, a sharpening stone or somebody to sharpen it for you, all you can do is that go and buy the new one. We have new one. Go and look for the one that will fit your clipper. Then you buy it, remove the old one, keep it. You understand? Don't throw it away. Me, sometimes I have old one. If I don't get the person to come and sharp it for me, I just put it down. Then I go and buy a new one. Then I fix. Then I start using. Anytime he come around, then I sharp it and keep it down. So anytime my clippers is very sharp, as you guys can witness on my videos. Understand? My clippers is very sharp because I don't keep dead clipper blade. Well, once I remove it, once the person come around, I sharp it, I put it down. When I sharp it, then I use tissue to wrap it and keep it down. You understand? So anytime this one is no more pulling, then I remove it and place this one. You understand? You can also do the same. If you don't get someone to sharp it for you, all you need to do is go and buy new one, remove this one, put it aside, then place the new one. That's all. That is what you can do. Understand? I don't think the blade is not all that cost. So you can do that. You get it? Yes. But always end up like, as a professional barber, make sure you're having more clippers. Invest in your tools. Most of the barbers, you don't want to invest in your tools. If you are not investing, how are you going to deliver a quality haircut? You understand? So see my clippers. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 clippers. You understand? So imagine 6 clippers. These two are doing the same work at the same time. You understand? And this one is doing the shaving, the shaving design and those stuff. This is the only thing we do. So no much pressure on you. You get it. Sometimes this is what the pressure in skin fade, three step, taper fade, and those. So I get these two. I get other one. I get other one. You understand? So more clippers. So once I start, doing the work, it makes things easier. When I use this more, then I use this. I use this more. I use more. So always you see that my clippers is pulling. So you can also do the same. Invest in your clippers. Make sure you are buying clippers. Use 1 month money, work for 1 month, use that money, go and buy clippers. Have like maybe five, six clippers, different clippers. You understand? So that it can help you deliver. You are holding one clipper, the same clipper you are using it for shave, the same clipper you're using for shaving, same clipper you're using for skin fade and those stuff. It will not help you. So as a professional barber, invest in your clippers. It's very important. You understand? Very important. This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. If you come across this video, make sure you follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me all social media platforms, FreshVGH, YouTube, FreshVGH TV. You understand? For long videos, I've been posting long videos on my YouTube channel, long videos on my YouTube channel. So once you follow me there, you are going to benefit a lot. You understand? Thank you so much for watching. This is your number one hairstylist, Ra.